Uh, First of all, I would like to thank you, Dr. Purni, and second, Has Academy, because without Dr. Purni, it is not able to. I'm not able to join. Sorry, Dr. Purni, I'm using this word, but to make them understand, I need to use this. So the planning was there. It is in my mind, and also it is there in my subconscious mind. I need to join this and finish this master class because I wanted to start a new things in the month of January 2022. So but certain thing it was happened, so I thought maybe I'm not able to join this. This is my perception. This is Nobody has told me, okay, because of this you are not going to join this. No one. This is my mind. But suddenly 13th 12th of December, I decided myself, and I had messaged to Dr. Puni that when you are going to start. I thought it will be on 15th. So she called to Miss Josephine madam and confirmed that, and everything was happened, and 2 weeks is finished like anything. I learn how to reframe my words, how to use the magic words. In this manual, in this teaching, there is a much magic words and much magic sentences are there where we can repeat over and over, and really it will change. Uh, it will change our life. I'm seeing that it is change in my life, and whatever the problem, I was thinking that maybe this is a big problem. It is a simple dot for me. It's nothing now, nothing. Simple, it's dot for me. So I love to do that, and I'm excited when the next class will be there. When the next class will be there. It is now more than the basic. It is the master is very interesting, excited, and one more thing from my core of my heart, I'm telling you, the knowledge which we are getting in Has Academy. You go and check to any other institute, NLP master, you will not get it. You will never get it the way Dr. Puni is making us understanding. She has a very good ability to do the work from the other people. So that is, no one will teach you like this. People are, trading. They are not a healer. Here, she is a healer, not a trader. One word. If you are intelligent, you will understand what exactly it means. So I'm really, really thank you. That thanks to Dr. Puni, thank to myself and my awareness that I started this course, and very flawlessly, very enjoyable. I'm doing this. And I know that the 2022 will be a very good year for me because I'm going to use everything based upon NLP master. I will start writing my book. I will make more clients, and because my I want to become a coach, a life coach. And one more thing, in front of everyone, I'm going to testify that without, I'm not going to ask next time any course will be going to show in this Has Academy or in the website. Without doing anything, no or nothing, I'm going to join this. So this is the beautiful thing I learned from this course actually.
Wonderful.
And when you will get the realization, the much more the doors, the God will open the doors, many doors to you. We should be, we have to be, or love to be receptive. Always we
See
love to be
that,
receptive.
that awareness. We have, no.
Awareness. Awareness is very important. After realizing, very good experience after and before. And Has Academy is such a beautiful institute where you no need to knock. You just open the door, and the seat is for you. Other institute, this facility, you will not get it. You will never get it, this facility, that there is so many formalities are there. Until unless you will complete pay, you will not going to join. So I'm so blessed. from my core of my heart, I'm saying I'm so blessed that I am joined this course through Has Academy. Thank you so much.